While schools have been closed all week, they have not been empty. With teachers out of the classroom and at the Capitol pushing lawmakers to better fund their schools, Tulsa Public Schools support employees have been busy filling work orders that can be tough to do when school is in session.
Yeah, we getting all the classroom lighting repaired and get them up to working condition.
Steve Guilford has been an electrician for the district for 35 years. The reality of the scope of his work and its importance isn't lost on him.
That's our future. So we try to do the best we can in making it a good learning, safe environment for the kids.
While staying positive, even if it's at the expense of this reporter.
Any idea on the amount of light bulbs throughout the district?
This interview is over.
With smiles on their faces, these folks are hustling around the district, tackling jobs that usually have to wait until summer when students aren't here.
We always want to be able to have the opportunity to get into classrooms without causing any disruption to a normal class day.
Jason Cohen is the maintenance manager for Tulsa Public Schools.
There's always a leaky faucet somewhere. There's always a light bulb out somewhere, and this is a perfect opportunity for us to prepare our HVAC systems for the spring weather.
Meaning crews can get the air conditioning units ready for when the temperature swings up.
Without the students being distracted by footsteps on the roof.
School custodians are also doing great work, preparing for their school families to return.
It's quiet. We miss everybody.
From the smiling student faces to warm friendships with coworkers.
We miss kids, we miss the teachers.
That's why making sure these schools shine and look their best is a top priority for these hardworking Tulsa Public Schools employees.
I'm very excited when everybody come back and nice people, everybody happy, you know.
Until then, crews are working feverishly to get these rooms ready for testing.
Change out some stained ceiling tiles, change out some lighting, and prepare for student testing as soon as they return.
Even though the work has been demanding, these employees are hopeful teachers will get what they're fighting for.
We just try to stay positive in all aspects.
Every day I hear about how they're supporting the students, supporting the teachers, and want to have that opportunity to really get in there and get some work done so they have a positive atmosphere to return to once they come back to school.
With clean, inviting schools waiting to be filled and infectious laughs ready to be heard. Tulsa Public Schools support employees are showing just how important their school families are to them.
I love it. Like I said, I've been here, 35 plus years. It'll be 36 in August. So, I love doing what I do.
Great shout out to all the people, the facilities crew, from the custodial staff to the grounds department, as well as our electricians, HVAC guys, plumbers. Every time we turn around, there's some emergency that happens, some pipes that break. When we're dealing with schools that are almost 100 years old and you have 90 facilities across the district, it's a lot that comes up from any given day.